Okay, what's up YouTube? Today I'm just going to take you through a high top skin fade that I did a couple of weeks ago, just so you could see my approach on doing this cut. So if you find this video useful, please like, click that thumbs up button, leave your comments. But I hope you enjoy the video, guys. Okay, the first thing you want to do is comb out the afro so it's at its true length before you actually start cutting the hair. Okay, now I'm putting in my first guideline with my magic clips that I've converted to a balding clipper by putting the balding blade onto my Wahl magic clip cordless. I've made a video of how you can do this on my YouTube channel, so check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. So this client likes their skin up to a medium level with it dropped down at the back, so I'm just putting this in now. Okay, I'm now putting in my next guideline using a number 1 guard. I like to take a top-down approach to fading, so I'm going to put in this guideline and then I'm going to fade down to skin. When I'm fading, I like to use a small tooth comb just to comb away the hair as I'm cutting. Some people prefer to use a brush, but I like to use a comb. That's just my personal preference, but it's up to you. Now I'm putting in the guideline around the other side of the head so I can begin to fade that side. And as you'll see, I've got the number 1 guard on still, but taking it from with the bail arm open, I've now got the bail arm closed. And I'm just beginning to fade down. Note that I'm just using small strokes, just working in a small area as I'm fading, not going up too high so that I don't push the fade up any higher than I want it. Using the 0.5 guard, I'm now blending below my number 1, which was closed, with the bail arm open, going from open to mid to closed on the 0.5 guard to make a smooth transition. Okay, now to blend the sides of the high top into their faded area, I like to use clipper over comb. It's just a lot quicker than using the clipper guards and also more accurate than when you just freehand, but this is my personal preference. So as you can see, I'm just going up with the comb, anchoring the bottom of the comb against the scalp, and then just going across with my clipper, and it's just taking away that excess bulk and blending into the faded area. Once I've blended in the sides, I then begin to freehand the top to take it down to the desired length and to get the shape that the client wants. freehanding the top, I like to go over it with my 7-inch shears just to take off those little straggly hairs that stick out and to give a really nice finish to the high top. Be careful not to cut too much with the shears, as you don't want to alter the shape of the high top that you've already created. You just want to take off those little straggly hairs. Now I'm just doing some touch-up work just to refine the fade and just take out any little blemishes that I see. Here I'm using the Magic Barber pencil, which is basically a chalk based pencil that you can use just to draw the outline. It's one of my favourite products that I like to use, as it allows you to give a client a view of the shape up that you're about to deliver before you cut it. So if they want you to make any adjustments, you can do that for them. When doing the shape up, always remember not to push the hairline back, but just use small strokes that keep to the natural hairline and make sure that the shape up looks symmetrical. For this client, I'm giving them an enhanced shape up using natural hair fibres. So as you can see here, I'm just using a business card just to keep to the natural line of the shape up, and then just spraying the hair fibres directly into the hairline. And this gives a thicker, fuller shape up and sharper, more detailed line. I'm now locking the hair fibres in place using a holding spray. I prefer this to spritz, as I find it gives a much more even distribution when it's sprayed. To get the shape up extra sharp, I'm now just going over it with my cutthroat razor just to really make that line pop. And there you have it, guys. There's a razor sharp high top skin fade. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, check out my channel and check out the other videos I have available. I think you'll find them useful. Take care, guys. Peace.